What's up guys, welcome back. So from what you guys can see, we made it to the falls. So the point of this video was to literally test out everything that we've done to this bike so far. So we added a lift kit, which gave us 2 inches more clearance, and we changed the tires. We went from 27s Black Mambas, and now we're with Swamp Lights on 29.5s. So yeah, this was a fun video, to be honest. Before, when I had the Black Mambas, there's certain holes I would not have even dared to go in, because I know what those tires do. All they do is they eat and make me sink. So from watching this video, you'll see some of the holes that I went through, and some of the slopes I climbed up and went down, and a little bit of hill climb. So we'll start off with the lift kit, the 2-inch lift kit that we put front and rear. So far, the ride is smooth, which I would have expected it to be a bit rough, judging what most people say about lift kits. That once you start putting just the brackets and not the suspension lift at the bike, it's hard to control. So far, I love it, to be honest. It's super cheap compared to doing a full lift, and no issues whatsoever about the ride being rough. It's actually pretty decent. Speaking of the ride, since I've changed the tires, there's no more vibration with the bike. That was one of my big issues with this thing, is every time I took it out for a ride, the vibration would just drive me nuts. No vibration, the clearance is amazing. So given that 2-inch lift kit and the tires, the clearance I got for the holes that I went in, amazing. I love it.
Now, would you buy another set of these Swamp Lights?
If I would buy another set,
just buy this little test out video, because we know these are from the Suzuki.
Yes. So far, if I were to buy a brand new set, yeah, definitely I would buy a set like this.
And the lift kit was worth it for clearance.
Oh yes, definitely.
The ride quality is great. Any downfalls so far do you find?
Well, one downfall I can actually say with this one is the tires aren't as wide. So for me, I'm used to riding with the Black Mambas, so I'm used to sticking my head outside and seeing what my tires are. With these ones, when I stick my head out, I don't see them.
Yeah, but that's a negative and a positive put together, right?
Yes, it is. But it all depends on the driver's preference also, and what they're used to. So this is the first ride, actual ride, doing mud, doing climb with these tires, and so far, I'm amazed. They're awesome. I love them.
I was supposed to do a video on these tires, and I haven't yet. But I don't know, a few more rides, and maybe we could collab on our likes and dislikes about these tires.
Sounds great.
And yeah, guys, like,
so if you haven't noticed, it is starting to snow out here too.
So this means the snow rip is coming.
Snow rips are coming.
The final ride of the year.
Yeah, we'll see the difference from last year to this year. With the clearance and the better tires, let's see how far I can make it without getting stuck this time.
Oh man, like this is just, it gives it a different look, a different stance.
Not just that, a different feel. With the Mambas, I could feel it. I could feel my bike digging every time. With this thing, it spins, and it grabs.
Yeah.
And the second you start sinking again, it grabs on again, and it pulls you out. I love it.
Yeah. Wow. If you guys wanted to see this, well, you guys actually see it now at the Suzuki tires onto the Teryx. And if you noticed, he swapped rims also. And it's starting to snow pretty badly, so I think we should start heading out before we can't get out of here.
Oh, we'll make it with this now.
No, because remember, we're climbing rock.
Oh yeah, that's right, before it gets too slick.
If it gets too slick, we ain't getting out of here. So
all right, have fun guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button, like,
leave comments.